Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on solving a Codeforces problem step by step. Today we are solving problem 1343B called balanced array. I will explain the problem, walk you through the solution, and then show you the Python code for it. As always, the code will be available in a comment below the video. This problem asks us to divide an array of size n into two halves such that both halves have equal sums. The array should consist of consecutive integers, with the first half being even numbers, and the second half being odd numbers. First, we need to know a few points. 1. The sum of even numbers will always be even, no matter how many even numbers are added. 2. The sum of odd numbers depends on the count of odd numbers. If the count is odd, the sum will be odd. If the count is even, the sum will be even. 3. For the two halves to have the same sum, their counts must allow both sums to be even. This means n must be even, and half of n, or n2, must also be even. If n2 is odd, it's impossible to create a balanced array. For example, if n equals 6, the even half is 2, 4, 6, which has a sum of 2 plus 4 plus 6, equals 12, even. The odd half is 1, 3, 5, which has a sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5, equals 9, odd. Since the sums are not the same, it's impossible to balance the array. Now, let's move to the solution. Here's how we can solve this problem in Python. First, we start by reading the number of test cases, t. Then, for each test case, we read the size of the array, n. Next, if n2 is not even, we directly print no because it's impossible to create a balanced array in this case. Otherwise, we build the even half of the array using a list comprehension. After that, we calculate the sum of the even numbers, and begin constructing the odd half, excluding the last element. To balance the two halves, we compute the difference between the sums, and append it as the last number in the odd half. Finally, we print yes followed by the two balanced halves of the array. Let's walk through an example. Suppose n equals 8. The even half is 2, 4, 6, 8, with a sum of 20. The odd half starts as 1, 3, 5, with a sum of 9. To balance the sums, we append 20, 9 equals 11 to the odd half. The final array is 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 11. The two halves are now balanced. Output format. For each test case, the program prints no if it's impossible to create a balanced array. Otherwise, yes, followed by the elements of the balanced array. And that's it. I hope this explanation clarifies how to solve the problem. Remember to check the solution code in the comments below. See you in the next video.